Malala, maupos dito. Magagawa kinaranggot kita, di ba? Doing this word types thing, you're kind around it messed up. Doing this word, oh my God, Alexander Lopez, you should eat more vegetables. Okay. Do you know you are really beautiful? Oh, thank you so much. Hello. Please leave a like, guys. We have 9 likes now. Like. Thank you so much. Like. I hear a chicken. Can you show us chicken? The chicken is outside, guys. I don't know where's the chicken, but it's not there. It's on the other side. I don't know where exactly the chicken. Ano, EJ? Mapasok daw lang kung ibaw. I will show you guys. Before. Ha? I can show you the world. There's a lot of coconut there. And yeah. You know, when I look at you, I feel happy that God is watching over you. Thank you so much, Solimain Dilo. Outside world. Yeah, this is an outside world. I know the chicken. I will check the chicken. So guys, welcome here in the outside world. This is in the outside world. So I can pick some lemon here. Look at this, guys. We have some lemon. Oh my God, what is this? Can pick some lemon there. See. Down below. The trees, yeah. Some lemon, and we have some coconut there. Okay. Coconut. See, this is my outside, guys. There's a lot of nuts there. See? Hi, ni Kuya Elmer, ate. Free coconut. Yes, we can get some coconut. Kuya Elmer! I will ask my brother-in-law to pick those coconuts. Kuya Elmer! Kuha dat silot? Oo. Bisla pera. Now where do we grow in ganja? Wow, wanna be my girlfriend. The devil show hi to you. I will ask my cousin-in-law to pick some coconut. Man, di na kuya. Naka-live ini ha. Bislama do ha. Kau ka di kagad makaon. Ay guys. Maria